Greetings, my name is Mohammad Danish Khurshid and I am here to give a presentation on radio wave propagation. By the definition, the radio wave propagation is a term used to explain how radio waves behave when they are transmitted or are propagated from one point on Earth to another. Like any other electromagnetic radiation, they are also obey the phenomena of reflection, refraction, diffraction, absorption, polarization, and scattering. This knowledge of effects of variation in the surrounding conditions on radio wave propagation finds a direct practical application, few of which are stated here. Before jumping into more details, let's know something about the radio waves. They are the basic building blocks for radio communication. A particular frequency fixed antennas are used for transmitting and receiving operations of the radio wave. Now for the radio wave propagation, there are mainly four types of propagation. First one is free space propagation. As the name suggests, the waves travel in free space or in a medium not consisting of any object that could influence the propagation. Distance between the transmitter and receiver is the main factor in this type of propagation. Satellite communication is one of the examples. Second type is ground wave propagation. In this type, when signal travels via ground wave, they are modified by the ground or terrain over which they travel. They also tend to follow the Earth's curvature, as illustrated here. Another type of radio wave propagation is ionospheric propagation. Earth's atmosphere at high altitudes consists of ions, and their influence on the radio wave give rise to this type of propagation. One of the advantages of this type of propagation is that stations may be heard from other side of the globe, which would not be possible by the previous two methods of propagation. Tropospheric propagation is influenced by the variation of refractive index in Earth's atmosphere with the increasing altitude. They are employed in transfer of signals at very high frequencies. Diagram here shows the path followed by the radio wave while undergoing a tropospheric bending. Other type of radio wave propagation along with their respective properties are tabulated here. We can see here that frequency band varies over a wide range, and same is the case for the wavelength. Propagation techniques can also be seen here. We can see here that for the lower frequencies, simpler techniques like line of sight is not suited. Rather, other relative complex methods of propagation are employed. Radio wave signals are very critical in surrounding where information is needed to be transferred without any loss of data or addition of noises by external means. Ranging from television broadcast to ATC communications, thus, radio wave propagation is an important branch of communication studies. Thank you.